Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kumele isolve inkinga ka-coach fast. Why ngisho kanje? Because khona ama-co-coaches awu-2 uCedric noBen kumele ba-decide ukuthi bazobagcina kuzoba yibo bo-coach until the end of the season or bazothola abanye o-coach. Kube clear, hhayi ukuthi bathathe ama-chances wokuthi ithi babone ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. Kumele ba-decide, bathathe i-decision yokuthi bazobagcina labo coach laba bazoqeda isizini ngabo na, or they will go for abanye o-coach because nabo coach laba bakhona oCedric noBen abekho sure ukuthi bazoyiqeda isizini ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So I mean kumele kusuke ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-commitment ukuthi bazokhomitha kubo, babathembise nabo ukuthi okay bafowethu maningadlala le safe next 5 sonika 10 games, if i-probability kumele ibe let's say nikwazi ukuwina let's say 7 or 6 games at least, so nigcina-ke ukuthi nikwazi ukufinish isizini because sobona from lapho ukuthi ni-well equipped ukuthi nizokwazi ukuleader i-team. If akwenzeki-ke lokho they will go for abanye obo-coach mhlawumpe abane-experience or abo-coach abahambiselana nama-plans we-Kaizer Chiefs. Le operandi lena isopra lesiyibukele enzakalayo ukuthi nawo bo-coach bangabi sure ukuthi bazoba khona or ngeke babe khona, ayikho right. Ayikho right kubo-coach, ayikho right kuma-player because already manje abo-coach laba bakhona bathola ama-opportunities ukuthi ba-coach-e laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayazama ukubuilda i-team yabo e-formidable. But-ke on what basis if bayayibuilda i-team only for them ukuthi bahambe in the next let's say 3, 2, 4, 5 games, asazi ukuthi bazohamba nini if bazohamba. But if bayathenjiswa laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay they will stick to them until the end of the season because ama-contract wabo vele ayaphela 2026 June makuphela isizini, so it makes sense ukuthi vele baqede isizini ngabo. But-ke it will also depend on how far they get kulokhu njani ku-continental level, which is i-CAF Confederations Cup le abantu bafuna ukumisela ngayo serious bakwazi ukuthola ama-results laphana. So ukuthi o-coach bayaqhubeka because i-project inkulu kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs this season. Imagine if because for the past 16 games bafethu 16, is it 16 days la badlale khona 8 games khona. I'm not sure if ngibala kahle because mangibala kuma-calculations there was a time la ucoach uBen bekhuluma ukuthi badlala a game each and every 2 days or 3 days or so bazodlala amagame amaningi kakhulu. Bayabathemba labo coach laba, sikhumbule ukuthi labo coach laba ama-assistant coach kaNabi. If bona bafila ngathi abanayo i-confidence kuNabi, why would they keep ama-assistant coach kaNabi alidwa uNabi, abalethwe uNabi? Ezinye iy'ndaba like masizibheka zithi why would they keep them? Because they still continuing nge-style sakaNabi. Because number one bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs still basa-struggle ngento ya last season. They're creating opportunities, they dominate the games in terms of going forward and stuff, but-ke they're not able to convert. Kusho ukuthi i-confidence kuma-player ayikho because once you are a footballer or you are a team, you are confident, you are able to create chances and bury those chances. But overall, because the confidence ayikho at the peak kuma-players, ne-leadership at the end of the day ku-Kaizer Chiefs, are they okay? You don't need to be afraid of i-coach yakho, but i-authority is very much important ukuthi amalokhu njani o-coach kwazi ukuthi okay ama-leaders we-team bayabahlonipha at the same time bayazi ukuthi yibo ama-boss ngempela. So if bancengisiwe bahleli ngesibuni esisodwa kuzosiza kanjani lokho i-team going forward? Will they be able to build i-team e-strong, e-super solid, i-team ezothembela kubona nabo as ama-coach ukuthi okay these guys are our leaders, these guys are coaches? Ikhona leyo base ku-Kaizer Chiefs na ukuthi ama-player bathemba. At the same time sesikhuluma ngo-coach, but-ke asingeneni egrawundini-ke i-leadership ye-Kaizer Chiefs. U-Inacio Miguel is the leader of i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ikhona i-trust ku-Inacio Miguel from ama-player ukuthi bayamthemba ukuthi usolid laphana at the back nanokuthi uyakwazi uku-organizer i-backline ukuthi ibe super powerful, concede ama-silly goal. Naye i-play yakhe u-Inacio Miguel, because u-Inacio Miguel uthola ama-yellow card amaningi kakhulu bafowethu, amaningi. It's very rare ukuthi angatholi i-yellow card egamini. Sometimes kunama-foul awa-consider athola ukuthi udonsa abantu agcine engayitholanga i-yellow card, ubone ukuthi la usindile. But mabembheka yena ukuthi masimbheka overall u-Inacio Miguel uyi-player elikwaziyo eli-well equipped ukuthi li-lead i-Kaizer Chiefs balilalele and then likwazi uku-inspire i-team as a whole ukuthi babe ama-lead. Uyi-winner now u-Inacio Miguel. Yizo izinto ekumele siyibheke overall, because i-team uyi-builder based on i-winning mentality nama-leaders ethimini. Ama-leaders aqala ku-management le phezulu ukuthi kunama-leaders a-strong ku-management. Masibheka ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abantu at the helm manje abantwana obvious babulo uKaizer Motaung, which is olona o-Junior, Kaizer Motaung Junior, oBobby, and then ubani sis Jessica noKhamisho or ubani lo sis lo omunye. Are they themselves well equipped to be kulawo ma-position lawo na, benze bathathe ama-decision a-right overall, and then bakwazi uku-inspire i-team to greater height? Because khona amanye ama-team masiwabheka, angifuni ukuqhathanisa ama-team, but masibheka i-team efana ne-Orlando Pirates, i-authority siyayibona laphana, i-straight, i-direct, siyayibona i-authority e-strong, nanokuthi i-leader lakhona or abantu aba-heavily involved laphana behind the scenes baya-respect. And uma ubheka ama-player ku-Orlando Pirates, uma ufika ku-Orlando Pirates ayazi ukuthi asayinelweni, akudlalwa lapha, kuhlekwa, asikho isikhathi sokuthi noma kuthiwa benza ama-mistake, you could see ukuthi ba-emotionally ku-tense, because why? They wanna get ama-results for a-team. That is something that is missing from i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi ama-players, we don't see that those emotions ama-player apusha because of ama-leaders are-under one. Do they respect ama-leaders akhona? Do they see them as ama-leaders, or bababona abanye as abangani babo because ba-celebrate nabo every day, bahlezi base-stadium every day? Zonke lezo zinto i-leader, zonke lezo zinto, so ukuthi i-leadership yabo is-strong. And then siza kuma-coaches, ama-coaches wona esingekho sure ukuthi ayahlala noma ayahamba, esingekho sure ukuthi azonika isikhathi esingakanani. Already bakhona bona, but they are linked with amanye ama-coaches already. So leyo nto le yenzani i-team, iyakwazi uku-create-a i-team esolidi ezohlonishwa abantu all over, nanokuthi abantu aba-involved khona bazokwazi ukuyihlonipha i-team enough na ukuthi bakwazi ukulwa. Ama-players abawasayinayo, uma wafika ethimini athola i-team enjani mentally, ukuthi are they strong enough mentally? Khona ama-proven winners ethimini, ama-leaders strong. Justin Sirino nge-experience yakhe yena, njengoba sewina izinto ey'ngaka nje empilweni yakhe, u-Edan ku-Kaizer Chiefs, u-eda i-element of ukuthi mhlawumpe une-bit of arrogance, akalweli i-team enough, because there is no way uGustin Sirino ahlale ebhentshini bafowethu, siyamazi ukuthi uyi-superstar. And sokudumele lento le masikhuluma manje kuthiwa uGustin Sirino akumelanga aqale igame because uyakwazi ukuba yi-super sub. UGustin Sirino angadlala from the first minute to the last minute and give everything to the team mayefuna ukudlala. Kusho ukuthini-ke yena kwi-player elifana noGustin Sirino ukuthi uyafuna ukuyilwela i-team all out na, aye all out, akwazi ukuyilwela i-team. Obani sibabhekile ku-Kaizer Chiefs abanga-guide ama-youngsters ukuthi ama-youngsters nawo abe-inspired ukuthi okay, dlala nobani, dlala nalaba. Because uma ubheka i-winning team is built on i-foundation strong enough ukuthi kwaziwe nje ukuthi okay, osibanibani, they inspire the whole team to move to the greater level or to greater height. But if awunawo ama-leaders ethimini yakho, khohlwa, ngeke ubhilde i-team e-strong. So ubheka i-player efana noMduduzi Shabalala, there's no, uMduduzi Shabalala akaka-elevate to i-leader ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and bekumele based on i-talent lakhe bekumele a-elevate already to i-leader, because akaneminyaka eminingi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi mncane, but naye akekho inspired by amanye ama-senior players. Ufila ngathi naye angaba i-leader, but mentally ukuphi yena ngokwakhe uMdu. So I mean, izinto ey'ncane kumele balungise laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then they can take things from there, and then babone ukuthi bangashape izinto kanjani, i-team ibe solid kanjani overall going forward. Because i-leadership, at the core of i-leadership kumele ibe strong, o-coaches kumele babe strong. uBenny ngoba uthi bayabambisana lapha, badlala umjikejo, bayabambisana, akekho kuthiwa okay, lo yi-head coach e-Kaizer Chiefs, ulona lo kuyazanywa, ulona kuphinde kubambe lona kuma-conference, kuphinde kubambe lona, kuphinde kubonakale ngathi ulo. And enye into, there's something sinister, okay, maybe that's a wrong wording uma ngithi sinister, but wonke umuntu uyaphakama ekubhentshini le-Kaizer Chiefs. Phakama u-goalkeeper coach ayolwa laphana namalo, u-goalkeeper coach naye sokungathi naye wuye i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs, olwayo laphana, olwa nabo-Revlu, olwa nabo-Linesman, olwa nabantu. So who is the leader kahle kahle? Because i-leader kumele kube umuntu specific laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then abe i-leader eli-strong abalihloniphayo, nalaba abangaphansi kwakhe bakwazi ukuthola leyo respect leyo. So izinto nje ey'ncane kumele bazilungise overall, but-ke they'll get there. Thank you bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.